First, I'm going to label the square, that is A, B, C, D. Now I'm going to shade this area. That area mean the intersection region of the two circles, that is black circle and red circle. Intersection area of black and red area. Okay, now this intersection area is that shaded area. Now you see that this figure is symmetric. So therefore the area of the upper part, if I take that as P, and lower part should be the same. And say the area of this in the middle shaded area is Q. So therefore the intersection area of black and red area is equal to 2P plus Q. That is upper part P, lower part P, the middle part is Q. So now 2P plus Q. Now if I draw the diagonal AC that like this way. Now by this diagonal the whole total area is divided into two equal parts. Therefore half of the intersection area is equal to P plus Q divided by 2. Now I will draw this the arc, that sector, separately. So that is this one. Say this one is A, D, C. So if I draw this AC, so this area is equal to 2P plus Q divided by 2. Now I can get that 2P plus Q divided by 2 separately. That is the area, I mean that sector area. ADC is a sector. The sector area minus this triangle area. So now therefore I can write that this 2P plus Q divided by 2 is equal sector ADC area minus area of the triangle, ADC. So therefore sector ADC area is we know that the radius is A. Therefore that sector area is pi A square. Pi A square is the whole circle area. This area is a quarter of that circle, that is 5A square divided by 4 minus area of a triangle is it is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle, therefore this is equal half A square. Now I can simplify that one. Is equal pi minus 2A square divided by 4. Therefore this intersection area is equal intersection area is this is the half of that intersection area, therefore we can multiply by 2 divided by a square multiplied by 2, that is equal pi minus 2 a square divided by 2. Okay, now what we have already found is if this area is P, this area also P, then if this area is Q, what we have found is 2P plus Q, 2P plus Q is equal pi minus 2 a square divided by 2. Now I have found 2p plus q is that much. If I can find p plus q, now p plus q, I have two simultaneous equations, so I can solve them. So problem is now how to find p plus q. P plus q is this area. So that this area, I will draw this one, this area. This is P plus Q. Now I am going to find how much that P plus Q is. So I am going to draw this picture here like this. Then I have this one, and I have this one, and I have this one, and I have this one. So what I am doing now, I will now this is A, B, C, D. I will connect this one to this one. Okay, so then I'm going to connect say this one to this one to this one. So this red line is the radius of this circle. This circle. That this one is the radius. This one is the radius of this circle. This circle. So we know that both circles have the same radius, so therefore this is A, this one is A, this one is A, and also the AB we already know it is A. Now I am going to find that area. So as we have done before, we can do the same thing. So we have the, say this one is ABCD. So then sector ABD, we know the radius are A and the sides are A and A, that is the radius of this circle, that sector. And this triangle ABC is equilateral triangle because all sides are A, then this angle is 60, this angle is 60, this angle is 60. Now if I take away the triangle area from the sector area, I can find this shaded area. So I will write here shaded area is equal sector area. Sector is, it is something like this. This is A, this is A. This angle is 60. So therefore we know that shaded area is half times sorry, not half, it is equal pi A square times 60 divided by 360. So which is equal 360 cancel, it is 6, 1 over 6 pi a square. So that means this sector area 1 over 6 phi a square. Triangle area, we know that if we have a triangle like this a b with the side AB, and if this angle is theta, the area is half times AB sine theta. So now we know that the triangle area is half times the sides are A and A, so that is A times A. The included angle is 60, that means sine 60. But we know that sine 60 mean square root of 3 divided by 2. Therefore, the triangle area is half times a square, square root of 3 divided by 2. So this is equal square root of 3a square divided by 4. Now, therefore, shaded area is the sector area 1 over 5a square minus triangle area is equal square root of 3a square divided by 4. So therefore shaded area is equal to, if I simplify this one, 5 over 6 minus square root of 3 over 4 a square. Now the common denominator is 12, so this one is 2 pi minus 3 square root of 3 divided by 12 a square. Okay, now this shaded area I have found. Okay, now if I draw this line from here to here, so this shaded area and the area we found is exactly the same. Therefore, if I say this area is say A1, so this area is A2, I can find A1 plus A2, A1 plus A2 is equal double of that one, 2 times 2 pi minus 3 square root of 3 divided by 12 a square. So this is equal 2 pi minus 3 root 3 divided by 6 a square. Okay, so far what I have found is 2p plus q is equal to pi minus 2 divided by 2 a square. And also I have found that this area, this and these two area, the sum of these two area is equal, I will write sum of two shaded area is equal, I have found that it was 2 pi minus 3 square root of 3 divided by 6 plus a square. Okay, now what I wanted to find is p plus q. P plus q is that two shaded area, and plus that area. That red area. Okay, now I will draw this area separately here. Okay, that is it is something like this. Okay, so this one is Q, this one is P. Now I will found that if I draw this line and this line, I'm sorry that my drawing is too bad. I can draw it again. Okay, I will draw it here. Okay, now I will draw this line from here to here and from here to here. Okay, this is it is, if I draw it here, it is something like this. It is sector area. That sector area, that radius is still the same. Now what I need, this angle. This angle mean that angle. So this one is question. Now we show that we already know that this one is from here to here was 60 degrees. This one is 60 degrees. Therefore that angle, this part is 30 degrees. This part is 30 degrees. And similar way, this angle is 60 degrees. So because this is a right angle triangle, that part is also 30. So now this part is 30, that part is 30, therefore that middle part is also 30. So that means this angle is 30. Now I know the radius and also the included angle, therefore that area, it is equal to the sector area is equal pi times a square times 30 divided by 360. So this is equal 30 divided by 360 is 12. So pi a square divided by 12. So now what I need, that total area P plus Q, therefore P plus Q is that pi a square pi a square divided by 12 plus what I found before, it is 2 pi minus 3 root 3 divided by 60 a square. So therefore this is equal pi divided by 12 plus pi divided by 3 minus root 3 divided by 2, the whole thing square. So this one is equal 12 is the common denominator, so this is pi plus 4 pi minus, so that one is equal 6 root 3 times a square. So this is equal pi minus 6 square root of 3 divided by 12. Okay, now I have found two a simultaneous equation, that is 2p plus q is equal pi minus 2 divided by 2a square. The other one is p plus q is equal pi minus 6 square root of 3 divided by 12 times a square. So now this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Then I multiply 2 by 2, that is 2p plus q is equal pi minus 6 square root of 3 divided by 12 times a square. 2p plus 2q is times 2. So therefore 2p plus 2q is equal pi minus 6 square root of 3 divided by 6 divided times a square. So say if this one is 3, if I subtract 1 from 3, 2p plus 2q, this is 2p plus q, then when you subtract it is equal to q. Q is equal pi minus 6 square root of 3 divided by 6 minus pi minus 2 divided by 2 a square. So this is equal, again I can see the common denominator is 6, so therefore this is equal pi minus 6 square root of 3 minus 3 times pi minus 2, the whole thing is square, whole thing times a square. So this is equal pi minus 3 phi is equal 2 pi minus this one is 6 square root of 3, that is minus 3 times 2 is plus 6 divided by 6. So we can divide it by 3, that is equal pi divided by 3 minus square root of 3 plus 1 a square. So therefore the required shaded area is equal, the required area is q is equal pi over 3 minus square root of 3 plus 1, this one is a square times a square.